In that desolate land and lone, where the Big Horn and Yellowstone roar down their mountain path, by their fires the Sioux chiefs muttered their woes and griefs, and the menace of their wrath. "Revenge!" cried Rain in the Face, "revenge upon all the race of the white chief with yellow hair!" And the mountains dark and high from their crags re-echoed the cry of his anger and despair. In the meadow, spreading wide by woodland and riverside, the Indian village stood. All was silent as a dream, save the rushing of the stream and the blue jay in the wood. In his war paint and his beads, like a bison among the reeds, in ambush the Sitting Bull lay with 3,000 braves, crouched in the clefts and caves, savage, unmerciful. Into the fatal snare the white chief with yellow hair and his 300 men dashed headlong, sword in hand, but of that gallant band not one returned again. The sudden darkness of death overwhelmed them like the breath and smoke of a furnace fire. By the river's bank and between the rocks of the ravine they lay in their bloody attire. But the foeman fled in the night, and Rain in the Face, in his flight, uplifted high in air as a ghastly trophy, bore the brave heart that beat no more of the white chief with yellow hair. Whose was the right and the wrong? Sing it, O funeral song, with a voice that is full of tears, and say that our broken faith wrought all this ruin and scathe in the year of 100 years.